Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity Pages. So just tab on my Google Chrome and officially logged in my perplexity.ai and how to use Perplexity Pages. So what to do, I will just move in my library icon, which is at top right corner bottom. I will just get in, and after inside here you will see here is the last 14 minutes ago and 15 minutes ago I will pages this use. And if I just tab on it, the number one, so this is how you can use the Perplexity Pages use. Again, I will just tab on this library, which is top right corner bottom, and here is, and also you will see the like 1 hour my pages ago which I just researching on it. And whenever you just scroll down, here is the all history of pages, so you can just use it easily. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.